Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the notice writing skill. In my last video, I taught you about the definition of notice writing, and after that I taught you about some major points how to write notice. Okay. And after that I taught you about how to mention date, and after date I taught you about the format of notice writing. You know very well that we should start notice from name of the institution, school, company, and after that we should mention date, and after date we should mention word notice, and after word notice we should mention title. We should mention title which is given in the question, and after that we should write content. When we will write content, we should give all relevant information, and after that we should try to remember one thing, that when we will write content of notice, then we should use third person. We should try to avoid the use of first and second person. After just completion of content, we should leave one line between content and signature. We should mention signature after just completion of the content from the left side of the page, and after that we should mention designation, and after designation we should make a box. Now in today's video I will tell you about the new marking scheme of notice writing. Okay, new marking scheme of notice writing. New marking scheme of notice writing. Okay. Now notice is of 3 marks. The format of notice is 1 mark. I have already told you about the format of notice writing. Start from name of institution, and after that we should mention the date. We should mention the date which is given in the question paper, or we should mention the same date on which we are going to give our test, and after that we should mention word notice. After word notice we should mention title. After title we should write content not more than 50 words. Always try to write content in third person, not in first and second person. After that we should leave one line between content and signature. I have already told you that when you write signature, first letter of signature in capital, remaining part of signature should be in small form, in this way. Okay, and after that designation, and after designation you should make box. That is the format of notice writing which I told you in my last video, and the format of notice writing contain 1 mark. Okay, and after that content of notice writing now is of 1 marks. Okay, after content, expression of notice writing is also of 1 mark. Half mark for grammatical mistake, half mark for spelling errors. Okay, this is the new marking scheme of notice writing. After marking scheme of notice writing, now I am going to tell you about an example which is related to notice writing. Okay, now according to the question, first of all we should mention name of the institute. In question, name of institute is Suraj Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. And after that we should mention date, and after date we should mention word notice in capital with the black pen. Okay, first of all we should mention name of the institute in capital with the black pen, and after that we should mention date, and after date we should mention word notice, and after that we should mention title. We should mention title according to the question, and after that we should leave one line between title and content. We should start content from a declarative form, like all the students are informed that it is hereby declared that Suraj Senior Secondary School is going to organize a cultural evening to collect funds for the slum children as per the details given below. After that you should leave one line between some relevant information and the declarative information of notice. Date, always try to mention the date according to the question. If there is no date is given in the question, then you can write according to your own way. You know very well that notice always contain future information. That's why we always try to write date of coming future. Okay, time 5 p.m. onwards, venue school campus, entry fee, because this is the notice in order to collect funds for the slum area children. That's why you should write entry fee, and after just you should leave one line between entry fees and remaining part of content. The presence of every student is compulsory. The student who are willing to participate in it can contact undersigned latest by 9th May 2021. After that you should leave one line between content and signature. You always mention signature in this way. First letter of signature should be in capital, remaining part of signature should be in small form. Okay, after it you should mention designation. Okay, after designation you should make a box. Okay, now in today's video I have told you about the new marking scheme of notice writing. Format is of 1 mark, content is of 1 mark, and expression is also of 1 mark. Half mark for grammatical accuracy, half mark for spelling errors. And after that a question which is related to notice writing, and this is the answer of that question. We should write notice according to the all relevant characteristics of notice writing. Start from name of the institution, date, and after that we should mention word notice. After that we should mention title. Always try to mention the title which is given in the question, and after that we should write content in third person, not in first and second person, and after that we should mention signature, and after that after signature we should mention designation. After that we should make a box. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.